What is the biggest village in Imo State? Today we are diving into Imo State, one of Nigeria's southeastern gems, to answer a burning question. What is the biggest village in Imo State? Imo State is a predominantly Igbo-speaking state with the Igbo people making up about 98% of its population. This makes the Igbo the largest and most prominent ethnic group in the state. The Igbo culture and traditions permeate every aspect of life in Imo State, from language and food to festivals and governance. The state is often referred to as the Eastern Heartland, not just for its geographical location, but because of its deep-rooted Igbo heritage. The Igbo language is the primary mode of communication in Imo State, often used alongside English, which serves as the official language for administration and education. Imo State, located in the southeastern part of Nigeria, is home to several notable towns, each contributing to its cultural, economic, and social vibrancy. Today, let's take a look into some of the biggest villages in Imo State. One, Orlu, often regarded as the second most significant urban area after Owerri. Orlu is a bustling hub of commerce and industry. It is known for its vibrant markets and is a center for various economic activities. The town also holds historical importance in Igbo land. Next up, we have Obowo. This area is renowned for its rich cultural heritage and agricultural contributions, particularly in cassava and palm produce. The town's serene environment makes it notable among the communities in Imo State. Number 3, Oguta. Famous for the Oguta Lake, one of Nigeria's largest natural lakes, Oguta is a tourist attraction and a center for relaxation and recreation. The town also plays a role in the state's oil and gas exploration, contributing to its economic development. At number 4 is Awon Mama, a strategic town along the Owerri-Onitsha Road. Awon Mama serves as a commercial and transit point. It is also known for its historical and cultural significance. 5. Ngbidi. This town is a fast-growing urban area. Ngbidi is witnessing significant development. It is recognized for its annual Christian religious gatherings, which attract visitors from across the country. At number 6, Mbise. Known as the most densely populated area in Imo State, Mbise comprises several towns and is celebrated for its rich cultural festivals, particularly the Iriji, which is the New Yam Festival. It is also a center of educational and professional excellence. Moving on to the 7th spot is Okigwe, situated along the Enugu-Port Harcourt Expressway. Okigwe is a major transit hub and has historical landmarks, including caves and ancient artifacts. The town serves as a central point connecting other states in southeastern Nigeria. And lastly, but not the least, we have Ohaji Egbema, located in the oil-rich area of Imo State. Ohaji Egbema is significant for its contributions to Nigeria's oil and gas industry. It is also an agricultural hub known for its production of crops like oil palm and rubber. These towns highlight the diverse opportunities and cultural wealth within Imo State, making it an essential part of Nigeria's southeastern region.